I wanted an ebook reader that I could just carry in my pocket and read anywhere. So I built this, a tiny ebook reader. It reads text files and that's it. No internet, no scrolling, just pages. The display is a 2.13-inch monochrome e-paper panel. You might also need an extension cable depending on your display. Mine has a short cable, so I need one. And the driver board is the Xiao e-paper display board. It has a built-in ESP32 S3, 3 buttons, and a battery port. The device runs on a LiPo battery. The driver board has the charging circuit and an LED indicator. And the case is 3D printed. And for projects like this, if you need any 3D printing or CNC work, you can check out Justway. They're fast, precise, and super easy to work with. Whether you've got an idea or a part you want made, Justway can bring it to life. More info in the description. To flash the firmware, connect the device to your computer and head over to the Tech Talkies firmware flasher page. Select the Pocket e-reader firmware, click on Connect and select your COM port, and click on Install to install the firmware. Next, on your mobile, connect to the Pocket Reader Wi-Fi network. And open the IP address displayed on the device. Select a text file and upload it. Once the file is loaded, you can see the page number and battery percentage at the bottom. Press the right button for the next page, and the left button for the previous page. Pressing the middle button will open the menu. From here, you can jump to a specific page or upload a new book to read. The flashing during refresh is a limitation of e-ink displays, and this small 500 mAh battery can last about 2 days. But if we implement a light sleep mode, it can last for more than a week. It's compact, simple, and does one thing well. And honestly, using it feels different. And maybe in version 2, we can add a bigger display, an SD card, or even a faster refresh driver. Comment if you made something like this.